Hello, just wanted to show you your new suhr guitar. There she is, ready to be packed. Here is the paperwork, along with some extras in there. This pouch as well. Yeah, so she's good to go. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and loosen the strings and protect the fretboard, and we'll go from there. And there you have it, packed, nice and snug, ready to go. She is safe in a new box. And again, thank you so much for your purchase. We want to put good instruments in the hands of good people, that the world might be filled with good music. Have a great day. Enjoy.